In this tutorial, we'll cover how to add or modify a web page via the admin. In this case, I've already logged into the admin section of the website. I've gone over to Content, Article Manager. For this purpose, we will modify the company profile page. When we try to create these pages, we try to name them the same as what will appear on the front end of the website. Over here we have what we call a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. This WYSIWYG contains the center section of the web page. Anything to the right, we mentioned already, is going to be a module. So these WYSIWYGs work very similar to Microsoft Word, so we can highlight, copy, and change things just like you would do in MS Word. So to modify something, for example, say there was a misspelled word or whatever the case is, I just make my change here. I hit apply. There's two options here, apply or save. If I hit apply, this page will make the change, but keep this page open so I can continue to make changes. I always go back to the front end of the website, refresh my page to verify the change is exactly the way I want it to be, and see there's the exclamation point that I put in. One key note, once you hit save or apply, there is no undo. So make sure that the change is the way you want it to be. Once I'm done making the change, I can hit save and it'll close this page. There's other smaller bits of information over here on things to be able to show or not show, like the title. Most of these have already been set since the design is finished. And there's metadata description information available for SEO purposes that can be added later. Section and category, these probably don't need to be changed too often. The only thing these are used for is to keep your website organized and be able to find pages easily. Very similar to like chapters of a book. This works well if you have hundreds of pages on your website. So once we're done making any changes on the site, on the page, we would click Save again. If I need to change an image in here or add an image, just go to where I want to add the image. There's an image button down here. For example, you click on, find the image you'd like, and hit Insert. Remember in the generic tutorial we showed you where the Media Manager is to be able to upload photos. So in this case, this is a photo we've already uploaded to the website. You can resize, although it's recommended to go ahead and put the image into the website with the size that you'd already like. Try not to use the editor to resize any more than you have to. So once we're done, we're going to hit Save. If you'd like to add a new page, again, you would go to Content, Article Manager, click New, give it a title. I'm going to create this called Test. You can leave the alias blank. Section, you can just leave these as uncategorized since there aren't that many pages here. Make any changes you need to, and hit Save. Now obviously we need to be able to link to this new page that we created, so in the next tutorial we'll cover how to create a link to these pages.